Hi folks, I want to show you 10 high ticket niches that you can use to make money with through an online business, through a blog, through YouTube, and here are the 10. You have portable kayaks, turtle aquariums, fish aquariums, aquarium decorations, these are three different things, pop-up campers, treasure hunting accessories, GPS devices for boats, miniature trains, kite surfing, and backyard decorating. These are all examples of different types of niches that thousands, if not millions of people look for online to buy, and you can actually promote these things. Now, the specific way that you can make money from them, and at least in the way that I teach it, is through a model known as affiliate marketing, where let's say, for example, I was interested in promoting portable kayaks. I could sign up with a program like Amazon, get a link to promote a portable kayak for like hundreds of dollars, put up that link on a blog, on a YouTube channel, and then whenever people would buy it from those sources, I would be able to make a commission from it. And it's actually something that I do for a living, and in fact, here are some of the income stats that I make from affiliate marketing. This is not really related to the 10 niches that I just showed you. It's related to another niche that I'm involved in, but overall, I do make a full-time income from affiliate marketing, and overall there's actually a lot more than 10 niches in the high ticket world. You can actually make money from other niches as well. There's ones that offer you recurring pay, there's ones that offer you a little bit of a small commission, but more people buy it, so you make more of a sales volume, so it kind of compensates. There's a lot of potential in promoting through the high ticket niches that I gave you, as well as affiliate marketing in general. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, I want to provide a couple of links below this video that'll help you get started with that. The first link underneath this video is to a program that helped me learn affiliate marketing. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. The beauty is that it's free to try, and also I help people out with it. So if you sign up in the link below this video, you will not just get access to Wealthy Affiliate for free for 7 days, but you'll also get coaching from me for 7 days. And once you get into that site, I contact you. I help you get started with it, but they have an awesome training program. Let me just show you what it looks like. It's called the Online Entrepreneur Certification. These 10 lessons help you in choosing a niche. Now, whether it be a high ticket niche or something else that you're passionate about, this is going to help you choose that, and I will also be inside that program helping you do that as well. And again, you can get that coaching for 7 days free. The second link underneath this video is going to give you even more high ticket niches if you want to get more ideas about how this stuff works. Third link is also going to provide you with even more high ticket niche ideas as well. And other than that, if you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know underneath this video, because I know what it's like to make money through high ticket affiliate marketing, through affiliate marketing in general, and just how to do an online business in general. So again, with these 10 options that I gave you, there's way more than 10 available, but because I've been doing this for so long, I just know all the possibilities of what's out there, and these 10 should really be a sample as to what's possible out there. Again, you can take any of these 10 niches that I gave you. Let me just show them to you once more. Like, for example, turtle aquariums, and I can hop onto Amazon, I can get a link to a turtle aquarium, and I can promote that through things like blogging. I can promote it on a YouTube channel, in a YouTube video, but you have to know how that actually works and get a good blueprint for doing that, which is why a program like Wealthy Affiliate that I was talking about earlier, it's going to help you get that done correctly. That's how they helped me, and that's how they also help other people as well. So if you're interested in that, you can click on the first link below this video. It'll take you there, and I will also help you out with that as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, whether it be about getting started, other high ticket ideas that you have, any questions about the high ticket world, you are more than welcome to ask me that underneath this video. So thank you so much for checking this out, and have a nice day.